So today I am going to put tempered glass screen protector on my Moto G4 Play. I just ordered this tempered glass screen protector from Amazon. So I will just open this. This one comes with the instructions how to install this screen protector, and then here is the tempered glass screen protector which is inside this case, and some cleaning material to wipe your screen. First I will clean my phone with the help of this cloth. I will make sure that the phone is there are no fingerprints and nothing on the phone. Use the alcohol pad to clean it. So if something is there, it will come off. And again I will wipe it off with the soft cloth. So once you clean your screen, do not touch your screen with. So you can see now the screen is totally clean. So I will open up this glass screen protector, which is right over here. Before you start putting it in, you can see the measurements. Like this over here, you can see it is not going. Seems to be wrong way. So this portion will go down. And the second way of checking is that you can see over here this hole, which is the microphone over here, which is aligning now right over here. So it will go this way. You can see the camera is clear, this part is clear, and over here this mic is clear. So accordingly you can see which way your tempered glass will go. And if there is any additional back cover you have put up on your phone, please take off that back cover also, which will help you to put the tempered glass screen protector easily. So now I will put it facing downwards, and I will take off the lower part with the help of this attachment. I will hold the tempered glass from the sides, so I will avoid any fingerprints going on the tempered glass. So if you want, you can also use these hinges to put on these sides on the top. So if you want, you can put these hinges over here, one on the other side. So that way it will help to align that casing properly. So if you want, I can show you how to put it. So I will just keep the tempered glass at the bottom. I will take out first hinges right over here. I will put it on the top, and same way I will take out the second one and I will put it on this side. So this way it will help me to hold the tempered glass properly without touching on the bottom of the tempered glass. So like this. So now I will leave the hinges on top and take out the bottom protective cover with the help of this this paper which they have attached. Now you can see I've taken out the bottom cover. So in any case, do not touch the bottom. So that's why we have put these hinges. So I will hold it from the sides. You can see right over here. So I am holding it from the sides, and I will now align it properly. You can start from one side, maybe from the top. You see now it is aligned properly. So once it is aligned, always align from one side, and then you can leave it slowly. And you can adjust if you think it is not aligned properly. You can adjust by. So once you think it is aligned properly, you can press it. And you can see the tempered glass is automatically taking its place. And now you can remove this hinge cover by just keeping your finger on it. And you can see this small air bubble over here, so you can use any of the cards. So you can use any visiting card, and with that you can just so you can see you can just press from all the sides, and just make sure that the screen protector is fully stick to your screen. And now you can see it is properly done, and you can use again the wipe to wipe the top of it. So your screen protector is in place. Thanks for watching.